I'm back with another analysis on DXY US dollar index. As our final conclusion, I'm expecting an uptrend on the hourly chart, no downtrend. On the daily, I'm expecting a sharper uptrend, no downtrend. But on the weekly, I will be coming up with two possible scenarios, both uptrend and downtrend, which I will discuss about the details in a second. For have a better understanding, let's jump into the chart itself. Starting from the weekly, as you can see, price created, not the price index, of course, created a higher high and with an impulsive momentum, and then just reverse back to the 50 percentage of the Fibonacci retracement level, as well as a very strong support level, as we can see on the chart. Let's jump into the daily, taking a closer look to this reversal. We can see that started its reversal with a leading diagonal in 5 impulsive wave down to the support zone, and now price just playing seems to be followed by then a possible ABC, maybe it might be a flat, so to the 38 percentage only, and reaching out to this again very strong support zone. I'm seeing an engulfing pattern as well, almost engulfing. We can see price has higher a bigger candle, a green candle after that, which when it appears in the bottoms, especially on these very strong support zones, there can be a very powerful signals of the reversal. To have a better understanding of this final corrective structure, let's jump into the hourly. We can see price had a form of an ABC to the top of this resistance level, this channel, this 38 percentage we just saw, and then it seems that it has some sort of an impulsive wave 1 2 3 4 5, which the fifth wave is an ending diagonal, which is ending diagonal we can see it has a 5-wave structure with a fake out to the bottom of this polar channel. So this fifth wave actually has been created inside this polar channel. So after that, with that fake out, with that reversal, here is absolutely that's a very strong support zone, and I'm expecting with that engulfing just reversing. Also a fake out is another signal of the breakout, a reversal. So I'm expecting an uptrend on the hourly. So on the daily as well, because of that pattern, that engulfing, I'm expecting a much more reversal, not just coming back to this channel, and also a continuation to maybe somewhere in the middle of these support and resistance level with 38 percentage as support zone, and this very strong 38% as a resistance at this support zone on the bottom. So I'm expecting a reversal back to the middle of these levels here. However, on the weekly, if I actually bring up these resistance level on the 38 percentage that I'm talking about, we can see price has reached these levels several times. So on the weekly, after reaching, of course, again according to the hourly and daily, I'm expecting an uptrend here to the middle of this channel, but in the long term, this might be a continuation to this coming back to this 38 percentage as well as this resistance level, or it might be a downtrend coming back to this support zone, or even continuation maybe in the very long term. But it is not really fair to talk about this because it's very long, it takes a long time to happen, so there is no need to talk about these very long scenarios. Coming back to our conclusions, as you saw, I'm expecting an uptrend on the hourly because of that fake out of that ending diagonal, that impulsive wave is done, an uptrend is expected. On the daily, because of that engulfing, I'm expecting a sharper to the middle of this support and resistance level, and on the weekly, after of course that uptrend, I'm expecting both up and downtrend. Both scenarios are possible in the long term, depending to how price is going to actually act in the future. That's why our analysis on DXY this week. Hope you enjoyed, and until next analysis, thanks for watching and have a nice day.